Hello everyone, so here we've taken a low ponytail and then at one side of it we are going to apply this pink pin and then applying a rubber band on them, thereby folding them out into a bun with the help of this black pin. Next we are taking a low pony, then folding it and twisting it and applying this pin on the one side of it. Then we are going to take the remaining hair of the pony and then fold it out again with the help of this pin. Next we are taking a ponytail and then underneath it we are going to apply this beautiful pin. After that, taking the remaining hair we have left with and then applying this black pin, thereby folding them into a bun. Next we are taking a ponytail and then applying this pin underneath hair. After that, we are going to take all of the remaining hair and then fold it out into a low shape bun. After that, you can see it is completed. Next we are taking a pony, then we are going to loosen it up a little bit, then underneath it we are going to apply this colorful pin. After that, we are going to take the remaining untied hair, folding it out with the help of a bobby pin. Next we are taking a high pony and then we are going to apply a black pin under it. Then we are going to take the remaining hair, applying this rubber band in the middle and folding it out into this beautiful voluminous bun with the help of this pin. Next we are taking all of the hair and converting it into ponytail, then taking some part of it and applying a rubber band. Then again at the last we are again using a rubber band, then folding it out into this bun with the help of this butterfly pin. Next we are taking a low ponytail, then we are going to apply a rubber band on it. After that, we are going to loosen it up, making a space, folding all of the hair in there, and then we are going to take all of the hair and applying this rubber band on it for securing them, and your simple low shape bun is completed. Next we are taking all of the hair and by using our finger we are going to fold it out into an elongated bun and securing it with this pin. Next we are taking a ponytail, we are going to loosen it up, making a space in between and folding it all out as you can see. Then we are going to hold all of the hair and using this fluffy rubber band for our low bun, and it is completed. It is as simple as it looks. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then underneath it we are going to apply a pin. After that, taking the remaining untied hair and then applying a rubber band, thereby using this pin and folding it into this voluminous bun, and your simple yet beautiful hairstyle is completed.